In a world filled with wonders, there exists a boundless source of life. Nature. Her blissful offerings are free and grand. The air, the water, the food, the land. Her motherly protection and care in all forms. The gifts she gives are beyond compare. Yet, what do we offer? A selfish hand, a destruction that hurts nature to its core. But now it's time to heal the wounds we have inflicted. Aloha. A name that symbolizes love, care, and the harmony with nature. A dream of a healthier lifestyle and a commitment to purity. We are not just revolutionizing sleep. We are weaving a future of sustainable and eco-friendly sleep. No harmful chemicals. No synthetic materials. Only the pure essence of Mother Nature in harmony with ultimate comfort. From forest to your bedrooms, we are bringing the best gifts of nature as it is. A step closer to your lifestyle. Say aloha to a greener, healthier home.